That's about right. They're gonna like this. Alright, you mother truckers, you already know what is going on. You've read the title, you've seen the thumbnail picture, the preview picture for the video. I have gone above and beyond with my Primal RC monster truck. It's a 1/5 scale electric monster truck. It's absolutely massive. If you guys haven't seen my other videos on it, I will link them so you can check it out, because any person can go out there and bash an RC vehicle. Anyone can go and launch a vehicle off a high jump. Yes, I do launch my trucks from time to time, but this truck has cost me so much money. I just want to take care of it. And since I've had two Primal RC monster trucks before, I want to have one bashing monster truck, which is a 5th scale, which is insane weight, 80 pounds. I also want to have a trail truck, which nobody has done yet. And I've already started. Check this out. You've already read everything in the comment section or in the video description, right? You already know that I put a winch into this machine. I got behind it just so you could kind of have a general idea of how large it is. But this is a normal pistol grip radio, right? That is how large this truck is. Now, who cares? We've seen this before. You come here to see the winch that I put in. I actually, if you're going to have an off-road monster truck, yes, it is not a ladder frame. It is not ideal for off-roading, and it does not have locking differentials. It's got limited slip diffs in there. But I ordered some 20 million weight Diff Oil. I'm going to pull the differentials in here, and it's basically like almost welding them up, but still allowing for some turning. But we're not here for diff talk today. We're here because of that fucking thing right there, right? You guys know that I went and put in a Reef's RC steering servos in here, the Beast 2000s. They have, Reef's RC has 5th scale winch servos, basically for like the Axial SCX6 and a few other things, but a winch servo wasn't gonna cut it for me on this giant behemoth of a machine. Look at this. Dun, 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 dun. No one has done this as far as I know, so this will be unique for all of us. Yes, I do have an electric system in here. It's water cooled. If you have not seen that video where I did the conversion, I suggest you check it out. I'm going to show you a few different things here. Here is the actual winch itself, dehoused. This is the motor. This is the pinion. This is so I can unspool the winch easily, so I can just freehand it. Right. I got 30 feet of cable. If you're going to go out crawling creeks, doing rock climbing, you know, climbing hills, flipping over in mud, you need to have a winch. If you guys aren't part of 1/10 scale, you know, trail trucking, you won't understand why you'd want a winch. That's right, look at this. This is a 2,000 pound winch for an 80 pound truck. I got the fair lead in the front. I got it completely secured into the machine using the screw holes that were there. Braced up against the front here. This thing ain't going anywhere. Where's my radio? Here it is. My remote. This is actually 4 full-size ATVs. I'll just tighten this up. There we are. Add a little bit of tension on here. All right. It's pulling. Guys, it's winching. You know you can always count on me for cool shit. You've been coming here for 14 years. If you haven't been, where have you been? Now the inside frame is 8.5 inches, right? But here you actually have 9 inches straight across the top. I had to go out and source the smallest winch I could find. Here is an off-road, this is an extra accessory off-road remote pack, so it's wireless. But it's just that easy, folks. It's too late today. I've been working on this all day. But there you go. You know what's coming. Once the snow melts, I'm going out there. We're going trailing.